Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video we are going to be doing the part 2 of the unboxing for the mouse and keyboard combo from HAVIT. So first off, let me just let you guys know that I purchased this keyboard for 50 Canadian dollars. So for you, all you Americans out there, that is 38 United States dollars, USD. So if you're able to pick this up, I would say that this is probably one of the best combos you could get out there that I've found on Amazon. Especially in the Canadian Amazon store, this is like probably the best combo. And let me give you some reasons why.
So, first off guys, this keyboard is a mechanical blue switch keyboard. So as you guys can see right here, here's a demonstration of what the keycap looks like. And there you go. Alright, so now we're going to be doing a keyboard sound
Alright guys,
test.
so here's what the keyboard sounds like when typing. So this keyboard actually comes with a wrist rest, and honestly this is actually like it's pretty comfortable, I'd say. Like it's not like anything soft, but like it's a solid piece of plastic. But for the use that for gaming and so on, like honestly, like this is pretty comfortable. I actually like it because my last keyboard didn't actually have this, so this is actually like pretty good. At least it comes with one. And if you do like decide that hey, you don't like this, you could just take it off and you can use it without. Hey guys, so we're gonna be doing quickly reviewing the colors on the keyboard itself. So for FN, you can click FN when you're on the color settings. You can click up to change the color. This was like a rainbow. Click down, it changes the color. It's blue, pink, yellow, purple, so on. And these are just for the solid color mode. You can click FN and FN and F9, and that way you're able to change the mode. So this one is like a, as you type, it like has like a ripple effect. Click FN F9. This one is a single ripple effect, single color effect. Each time you press on a key. F9. This one lights up the row that you click in. So if I click in this row, there you go. You can see each row. FN F9. This one's a little bit of a ripple effect as well. It goes start from the middle, goes to the end of your keyboard. You can change the color. You guys can see. FN F9. We have another ripple. This goes from left to right, constantly back and forth. You can change the color, I believe. There you go. It's blue. It's like purplish, pink, so on. Then we have a rainbow. So the rainbow is actually going from left to right. But if you click FN, you are able to, by clicking FN and the left arrow key, you can make it so that it's going from right to left or back to left to right. And there we go. Here's a more color effect. This one goes in like a little like circle. This one it's kind of like a random color effect. Another ripple. And this is like a solid color lens. Rainbow, solid, and yep, there we go. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the mechanical keyboard. Blue switches, it's awesome. For 50 Canadian dollars or 38 United States dollars, like this is probably one of the best keyboards you could get for the price. Honestly, it's my favorite. I've been using it for about almost, I don't know, a couple weeks now. And you know what? Like, it's an awesome keyboard. Like, why spend like $200 on like a really expensive mechanical keyboard when you can just get one of these, you know, for last you a little while. So this is the most important part of this video, the mouse. I tested this mouse out, and personally, this is probably one of the worst gaming mice you could use to game with. Now, it looks nice on camera, but this is like this mouse is just, honestly, I think it's just trash. Like, I think the fact that it comes with the keyboard is awesome because it's a bundle. You can use this as like a regular mouse for like anything other than gaming. Like you can do this for like regular web surfing and so on. But the reason why I don't suggest this is because when you are playing Fortnite, like for example, Fortnite is a game where people like me, we like to use mouse buttons, right? The side mouse buttons. And the problem with that is when I try to build, like if I'm doing 90s, right? I have to click, I left click, but you cannot use these side buttons. You have to let go of your click button, your first button, and then you can click. So this mouse does not receive more than one input at a time. Okay. So yeah, so when I try to do 90s and I click the mouse button, it doesn't work. Like if I have to let go, literally press this, and then it works. You cannot press this and this at the same time. Ready? Look, I have my build open. Click. So this is my, oh shoot. So I have it click here. This is my wall. If I click this, it doesn't happen. But if I let go and I click this, you can see that a wall plays. Let me do it again. So we have this. If I click this, nothing shows up. Let go, and I press this, and as you guys can see, the wall's there. So that's the problem I have. You can't crank 90s. And in certain games, you need to click. You need to hold it. In certain clips, you need to use your mouse buttons, and in this case, you can't. That's one of the worst things about these. And the mouse this mouse is also pretty heavy. So when you're doing 90s, or when you're even playing, it's so hard to move around sometimes because it's just really heavy and really uncomfortable sometimes. So if you have smaller hands, this mouse is gonna feel really uncomfortable and like really big. But if you have big hands, maybe you'll like it. But I really don't suggest it. Basically, what keyboard or what ghosting is. It's a keyboard term, but for this case, it could also work. Keyboard ghosting is when a single keystroke or several keystrokes are lost. So that basically means, like on a keyboard, for example, if I were to press 3 different keys, 4, 5, 6 different keys, it wouldn't detect all the outputs. It only detect like 1, 2, or 3. Same with this. Usually what happens when you play certain games, you want to be able to click more than one button at the same time, with it receiving, being detected by your computer. But in this case, this mouse, you cannot do that. This is why I do not recommend this mouse for gaming. Second of all, guys, another reason why I really don't like this mouse is because it is pretty heavy. Like this feels really uncomfortable. Like I have big hands, and this is a pretty big mouse. But for some reason, the way that they made it, it doesn't feel right. Like it just feels kind of weird. I really can't explain it, but it doesn't feel comfortable. Like it feels like it's like too wide. So for this mouse, we do have a software on it. So another problem I have with this mouse is that you're locked to these specific DPIs. So like you can, like they have their own presets. You're not able to change it. Like if I wanted to do 400 DPI, I can't do that. I can't do 500, I can't do 600 DPI. I can't do 700 DPI. Like whatever these intervals are, this one you can change it. This one you can do a little bit lower. But like it has like preset DPI intervals. And this is honestly terrible because you can't go lower than 500. And for a lot of people like me where I use low DPI, like I can't even do 600. Like usually I play between 600 to 700 DPI. I can't do that with this mouse. You're stuck at 500 to or 800, and it honestly sucks, especially when you're trying to like improve your sensitivity. Mouse actually has the option to do macros, but honestly I have no idea how that works. For the lights, it does have different color options like DPI mode, color for light, rainbow, FLOE light. FLOE light basically looks like this. It looks nice. It looks nice though, not gonna lie. Like the coloring for like the LED lights looks nice. They have like 4 seasons, I'm not sure, and volts. Let's do four seasons so I can show you guys what it looks like. So right now, as you click apply, it loads. And here we go. This is what 4 seasons apparently looks like. So yeah, would I recommend this mouse as an everyday gaming mouse? Heck no. The keyboard, awesome. Keyboard is awesome. No complaints. It does its job. It has anti-ghosting, which is basically what you need in a gaming keyboard. On the other hand, this mouse has ghosting and it is absolutely terrible. But if you were going to use this mouse for, let's say, like everyday usage, just like, you know, surfing the web, going on Google, you know, like watching YouTube videos, like this will do the job. It has colors, it has a couple of LEDs, so it does a job, but it does not do gaming. So this is not a good gaming mouse. So in conclusion, do I recommend the keyboard for $50 or 38 United States dollars? Yes, I do. This is a thumbs up, 5-star. Honestly, this is probably one of the best keyboards you can get for this price point. 50 Canadian dollars, 38 US dollars. You literally cannot go wrong. And on top of that, this also has warranty. I believe it's like 1 year or 2 years, so you can even contact the manufacturer if there are any problems. That is awesome. But for this, on the other hand, you're getting this included with the $50 price tag. But should you use this as an everyday mouse? Yes. But if you're gonna game with this, do not. It's not that good. I mean, certain games, if you don't need the mouse buttons and you really like the mouse, it's okay. It's alright. But for like gaming, as in Fortnite, and you're trying to use mouse buttons and so on, and you're having more than one input with ghosting, this mouse is not something I would recommend. But for the price point, you can basically say that you're getting this for free, as most mechanical keyboards at this price point usually just come with just the keyboard itself and no wrist rest. So this is actually an awesome deal. So let me know what you guys think down below. Sorry I took a little bit late for this part 2. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.